Welcome back, everybody. Today we're going to continue with decimal fractions, and we're going to do the multiplication and division with decimal fractions by a power of 10. So, when multiplying and dividing decimal fractions by a power of 10, there are simple rules to follow. First, when you multiply by 10, the number becomes 10 times larger. So, for example, 0.45 times 10 is then so we just move it by 1, so it's going to be 4.5. We just move the decimal point 1 time to the right. So when multiplying by 100, the number becomes 100 times larger. So that's why if it's 0.45 and we multiply it by 100, we're going to move the decimal point 2 places to the right, and our answer will be 45. Okay. So similarly, when we divide by power of 10, when dividing by 10, the number then just becomes 10 times smaller, okay? So look at this example, 23.01. If we divide that by 10, we move the decimal point 1 place to the left. So our answer will be 2,31. So when dividing by 100, the number becomes 100 times smaller, right? So 23.01 divided by 100 will then give us, remember we move it 2 places to the left, it will then 0,2310. And then, just for fun, we're going to say when we divide by 1,000, the number then we're then going to move the 0 or the decimal 3 times to the left. So it's going to be 0,0231. I'm just going to write this out to make sure you understand. 23,10, and we divide it by 1,000. So it's 3 zeros. So we're going to move it 1, 2, and then a 0 for 3. And that's why our answer is then 0,0231. Okay, so now if we multiply by a power of 10, look at this example. Say, for example, 500,23 times 10. We know now we're just going to move this decimal point 1 to the right. So our answer will be 5002,3. Okay, so it's 1 place to the right. If we multiply by 100, it's going to be 2 places to the right, and our answer will be 50023. So we move the decimal comma 2 places to the right. And then when we multiply it by 1,000, we're going to move decimal places 3 times. So remember, 500230. So the decimal comma then moves 3 places to the right. Okay. Okay, so if we divide by the power of 10, 3452.1 divide by 10, we move the decimal comma 1 place to the left. And our answer would be then 345,21. And if we divide it by 100, our decimal comma would move 2 places to the left. So to the left, I'm just going to do it like this. So it's going to be 34,521. And then if we divide it by 1,000, it's going to move 3 places to the left, which then is going to give us 1, 2, 3. So it's going to be 3,452. 2, 1. Okay, right. So, now it's your turn. Now we're going to calculate 431,256 by 1,000. 934,943 times 100. We're going to divide 2321,1 by 100, and 0.54 we're going to divide it by 10. Please pause and then we'll meet you on the other side. Right, this is an easy one. Let's see. So what is the rule? If we multiply by 1,000, we move the decimal point 3 places to the right. So our answer would be 43125,6. If you've got this, congratulations. If you multiply by 100, we move the decimal place 2 positions to the right. So that is going to give us 93494,3. Okay, if you've got that correct, well done. Now if we divide, we're going the opposite direction. So 2321,1 divide by 100. So we're going to move it 2 places to the left. So our answer would be 23.211. And well done if that one is correct. And then if we divide 0.54 divide by 10, we're going to move the decimal point 1 place to the left. So our answer would be 0.054. And if you've got this correct, well done. It was so nice to work with you. See you next time.